Good morning, I'm Susan Dickenson with Home Extras today, and I have the pleasure of starting my 2018 fall market this morning with the beautiful Shayla Copas, who I just got to know about a month ago really well, the designer experience when we walked through goat pastures and all that good stuff. And I learned a lot about you, which I mean, you've got a lot going on. You're an author, you're an entertainer, you're an interior designer, you're a philanthropist, and she is absolutely gorgeous. In fact, I'm so glad that you could wear the dress I loaned you today.
Oh, I am so glad you loaned it to me. I thought you were going to start talking about the goats for a minute.
I've done that one to death, I think. So, all right. So anyway, you've got so much to talk about. Let's start with the TV thing you're piloting here with Designer Network.
Yes. So we're kicking it off on the 16th at Four Hands. That's going to be great.
So you'll walk through and kind of give your take on things.
Yeah. Southern Glam. That's the name of my show.
That's right.
Southern Glam.
Yeah. When will we be able to see the premiere? Is this live or?
So all of the shows for fall are kicking off, and mine kicks off in December. So you'll get to catch mine in December.
I cannot wait. Was there a reason you started with Four Hands, or was that your choice or their choice? Or
they have a connection with Four Hands, and so all the shows are kicking off there on the 16th, and we're having a red carpet party. We hope everyone will come.
I've heard about that red carpet party. Oh, yes, I have. Okay, now let's also talk about this gorgeous, entertaining book. I've seen bits and pieces on. You have a fabulous Instagram that is just absolutely one of my favorite. And I saw the stunning tablescape the other day. Is that something you do a lot of?
I do. So the whole entire book is about tablescapes, and it's seasonal, 16 chapters, 4 seasons, and they're all themed. So we have the Kentucky Derby, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, of course Christmas. You can't forget Christmas. We have them all. It is going to be great. I can't wait for the launch in April.
And I can't wait for the book, my copy that you're going to send me, correct?
Oh, absolutely. I'm going to send you a copy.
Great. I hope so. Tell me again, just very briefly, you're in High Point. Are you shopping for clients or projects also?
We're shopping for clients, and we have some panels going on.
That's
so we're working on that as well, a panel at Universal.
And that is what time? The Universal is?
The Universal is at 2 o'clock, and it's on Sunday, I believe.
Okay. And is there anything special you're looking for this market?
Well, I'm looking for some artwork for some clients, and I also have a whole home that I'm furnishing right now, and we're more of a modern look, more contemporary than you normally see with my Southern Glam.
Oh my!
So we'll be working on that project as well this market.
Well, you are a very multi-talented person, and I'm just so glad I've gotten to know you recently, and I look forward to having breakfast with you too on
Yes,
Sunday.
I think it will be fun.
All right, thanks. We've got a lot to do, guys. Bye.